I'm going to show you how to hand pollinate, and in case you don't have little bees coming around, for which this garden's pretty new. They haven't really figured out where the flowers are. This is the male plant. You get your Q-tip in there, you get you a bunch of pollen on it. And then we go around to the female plant. You can see the fruit on it. This is a zucchini. And you just stick it in there, pretend like you're the bee, doing everything, wiping it around, rotating it. And normally a bee will do it 2 or 3 times, so we'll go to another male plant. It's kind of hard doing this with one hand, trying to let you see. There we go. We just get it in there. And then we go back to the plant. You see how much is on this Q-tip? It is covered pretty good. We just go back in there and we just put her around. And that should get her. And we'll be able to do it to yellow squash in a couple days. We're starting to get a bunch on all these plants. They're just cooking it real good. The okra, it's a self-pollinator like your beans and tomatoes. It's blooming. We'll be setting fruit on it.